Much love, fam, and welcome back. So today I need to do something with my hair, my locks, like right now, ASAP. I have this smoky smell going on. Smells kind of, like barbecue when you're barbecuing or something. Not the meatish kind of smell, but the smoky smell. We went camping, and the whole time we were there, we had the campfire going, did cooking on the campfire, hung out around the campfire, of course. And so we all smelled like smoke from head to toe. Now, of course, with the kids, wash their bodies, wash their hair, it's gone. But I feel like the smokiness is trapped into my locks. So that might be the denseness of it, added along with I was the one doing the cooking over the fire mostly. So I got the bulk of it probably. But, and I have not washed my hair yet, but I do remember when I used to wear braids, I came up with this issue before. I had this issue before. So I thought to myself, I don't want to wash my hair, get out, and that smoke is still lingering with me. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of it now before I even wash. Because when I used to wear braids all the time, I went to this like hibachi teppanyaki type spot. And where they cook in front of you and everything with friends. And so, there was a lot of different meals being cooked on that smoke, and it was just wafting. And I remember washing my braids and still having that lingering, like, I still smell that smell, Wash body, everything, of course. And it was bothering me for days. And I was like, can you smell my hair, to people? Because I could still tell. So what I wound up doing was kind of like deodorizing and clarifying. And then it got out. But I felt like it was trapped in my braids. So I'm thinking that in my head, like it's probably trapped in there. And then I'll be, let me not even, my camera stopped, but let me not even wash. And then I'll be upset because that smell is walking around with me. Let me just go ahead and do the thing. So, anywho, a long intro. But if you're interested, definitely stay tuned and let's get this smell taken care of. All right, let's do it. All right, so this is my bathroom sink, obviously. And when I did this before, I did it in a big cup. And I just poured it over my hair in the shower and squeezed throughout my braids. But I'm going to go ahead and do it in the sink right now because I don't have that. And I'm trying to, show this on film. So I'm going to do it in the sink and then put my head over in the sink and use a cup to kind of pour it over. So I'm just going to fill it up, close it, make sure it's clean, of course, obviously. I'm going to use warm water. And so you can hear me, let me fill this thing up, and then I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I don't measure at all. This is a sink full of water. And then I'm going to add in some baking soda. I'm not really even sure how much, that much, I guess maybe that was half a cup or so. And then I am going to add in about a teaspoon or maybe a tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. When I did this before with my braids, I just used the baking soda and it worked great. But I am using the vinegar as a little extra added stripper, cleanser to really get in there and get it out. So like I was saying, you can do this if you're loose, natural, whatever, straight, whatever hair you have, you can do this. It's not just for, and you can do it to clarify, like if you have buildup, it's not just for braids or locks. If you have buildup going on or, you've been using a lot of products and stuff like that, or you have a smell because of smoke or whatever other reason, oops, sorry about that, or for whatever other reason, you can do this too. works really well. And I will say that I used to just, take it, pour it over my hair, squeeze it into my hair. When I was loose natural, pour it over my hair in the shower. I don't really soak in it or anything. But if you feel like you really need to soak and let that stuff get in there, then go right ahead. But this more for me is not buildup. This is for me to get that smoke out of my hair so I don't smell like a campfire. I don't know if you guys could see while I was doing it, but I just wanted to show you. This is the water here. And it's interesting because it's tinted pinkish because I have used a temporary hair paint on my hair quite a few times. And I could see that there was red left behind in there. But this is, I guess, just all of it coming out. But that's pretty much it. That, the baking soda and vinegar. Not a lot of buildup or dirt or anything like that. That I can see. But who knows what's in your hair, right? So maybe it's a good idea to do this every now and again just because as like a little treatment. So now, okay, I didn't rinse it out or anything. I'm just going to leave it and hop in the shower. All right, fam, so I don't smell any more smokiness. I did, after I did the rinse, I could still smell it in my hair. Obviously, because I didn't rinse it out, I just put it in, soaked it, and I had my hair up before I hopped in the shower, and I could smell it really strong. So it was probably coming out, in that liquid. But I washed once with my usual, which is my either this triple treat or the tea tree tingle from Trader Joe's. So I washed with that. My hair did feel a little bit stripped because the baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and then this. So I went in again and washed another time. I usually wash twice anyways, or lather twice anyways. I wasn't going to because of the rinse, but I was a bit dry, so I used this one, which is what I use on my kids, and then it felt good. Got my scalp and everything really, really well. It feels great. A lot of that, I used to have deep red. I still feel like I have some red in there. Who knows? Or maybe my hair has just changed color. I don't know. But I am, just to follow up, because I did that really stripping type mix, I'm just going to go in with a little coconut oil, and that's it. So you guys, definitely let me know down below if you have tried this before, or if you're having some type of issue like that where you feel like something's trapped in. Definitely try it and let me know how it goes for you down below. Let me know how you're doing as usual. But that is it for me today. As always, remember to like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in another few days. All right. Bye.